Yo!
What up? Where's everybody at?
I don't know. I was recording that thing right now.
We're recording what thing?
The win.
Recording?
Yeah, it keeps our wins. If you have the replay feature, it keeps it on every win, every game, like every 20 matches. What, you didn't know about it?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Replay what? What are you talking about?
When you're on there, look at your menu bar. All the way on the right side, at the end of the menu bar, is one that says replay. It will let you play.
When I'm on what?
In your game. Go in the game.
Oh, in PUBG?
Yeah, in PUBG, yes. They built it
And
into
then,
PUBG.
And then what do I click to see this?
Just hit replay.
In the settings?
Is it up on there on the top? It says custom and everything?
Oh, okay. Replays, yes, boom. Replays.
40 megabytes, the one that we won.
$27 Which one?
Yeah, it should be 40 megs.
I don't got 40 megs. What minutes is it?
32:53.
We took place 2 out of 26.
Yeah, first. You took 2.
Team Jinx, Merc, and Long Shot Lewis. This isn't it. I don't think I